In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show heart rate in Strava, full guide. Strava only displays heart rate if it's actually recorded from a connected device, so we'll start by getting a heart rate source set up. If you use a smartwatch, like an Apple Watch, a Garmin, or a Fitbit, make sure your watch is paired with its companion app and that the app is syncing to Strava. Give the apps any necessary permissions so health data can flow. A quick way to confirm things are working is to start an activity briefly and check whether your watch shows a live heart rate. If it does, Strava can receive it once the apps sync. If you prefer more accurate readings, a dedicated chest strap such as a Polar H10 or a Garmin HRM Pro is a great choice. Put on the strap so the sensors have good skin contact. Then open the Strava app, go to the record tab, and tap the heart icon or sensors. Make sure Bluetooth is on and select your heart rate monitor when it appears to pair it. Once paired, you should see a live heart rate on the record screen before you start moving. If it doesn't show up, reseat the strap and try again. Reliable contact is key. Now you're ready to record. From the same record screen, choose your sport and tap record, then begin your run, walk, or ride. Keep your watch or strap connected throughout so heart rate stays active. If you pause mid-workout, keep the device on and close to your phone so the connection remains stable. When you're done, tap finish and then save. Strava will process the activity and attach the heart rate track to it. Give it a moment if the connection was new. The first sync can take a bit longer. To view your heart rate stats, open the saved activity and scroll down. You'll see your average heart rate, your max heart rate, and a heart rate graph that shows intensity over time, often broken into zones. If something looks off, check that the monitor was connected at the start and that your max heart rate settings are reasonable since zones are based on that. If you want your heart rate visible to others, edit the activity and make sure it isn't set to private. As long as heart rate was recorded, it will display automatically on the public activity page. Finally, to share those stats to an Instagram story, open the activity, tap share, choose Instagram stories, and pick a style that includes heart rate. Post it, and your followers will see your effort right on the story card.